In this video, we'll cover an upgrade to our bulk zip code distance tool available on the CDX Technologies website. To try this application, simply visit cdxtech.com and choose the Tools option in the top menu. Then select Bulk Tools followed by Zip Code Distance Batch Report. The zip code distance report can also be accessed by entering the address cdxtech.com/tools/bulk/distance. This application now supports both U.S. and Canadian postal codes. Data for driving distance and map routes are obtained using the Here Technology API. For more information on this, please visit here.com. The cost of the report is a penny per request using your credit card or PayPal. There is a $9.95 minimum charge. This tool is also part of the CDX Streamer subscription service, which can be a significant savings if you will be doing multiple reports. Up to 2,500 zip code pairs can be processed in a single report. Let's now take a look at an example report. To use the tool, simply upload a spreadsheet or CSV file with 2 columns of zip code pairs you wish to analyze. Let's open the example data file to take a look at a typical input. The 2 columns can consist of either U.S. or Canadian postal codes. You can analyze this in any combination, such as U.S. to Canada, U.S. to U.S., or Canada to Canada postal code pairs. Running this data through the tool will create the following CSV output file. The output file is in the same order as the input file and includes the straight line distance, the driving distance in miles, and the driving time in minutes. Let's now go through an example of uploading data to the tool. We'll use the example input file we downloaded to start. First, click on the Select Your File Here button and browse to the input file. This creates a preview report which shows the first few zip code pairs and output results. This confirms if your input data is correctly formatted and the total cost for the report. Then press the Next button to proceed. If you wish to purchase the complete report, you can use your credit card or your CDX Streamer subscription. In this case, we'll click on the CDX Streamer account button and then proceed to create the report. Once the order is entered, you will be taken to a web page which will display as the report is being calculated. For 2,500 requests, it can take 10 minutes or more to process. You can click on the Check for File button to get the download or the status of the download. You will also receive an email receipt and email notice when your file is ready. For more information, please visit us at www.cdxtech.com. A free trial of our CDX Streamer subscription service is available for you to try out this tool without risk or obligation. Don't hesitate to contact us about this bulk zip code distance tool or with any other questions you might have by emailing support@cdxtech.com. If you would like to be alerted to new videos we release, please consider subscribing to the cdxtech.com channel on YouTube and turn on notifications. These videos will also be available on our website. Thank you again for listening and considering us for your location analysis needs.